The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The command posts of the 14th Mechanized and the 81st Air Mobile Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces and the 9th Regiment of the National Guard of Ukraine near Redkodub in Kharkov region, Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic, and Zaleznichnoye in Zaporozhye region, 47 artillery units at fire on positions, manpower and military equipment in 163 areas have been eliminated by operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes. 4 munition depots of rocket and artillery weapons have been destroyed near Novoalexandrovka in Kherson region, Volnoye Pole in Donetsk People's Republic, Zaleznichnoye in Zaporozhye region, and in the eastern outskirts of Zaporozhye. 2 AN/TPQ-37 American counter-battery radar stations have been destroyed near Kirovo and Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 Su-24 Ukrainian aircraft near Dobroye in Nikolaev region and 1 Ukrainian Mi-24 attack helicopter have been shot down by fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces near Mirolubovka in Kherson region. 6 unmanned aerial vehicles, including 1 Bayraktar TB2, have been destroyed by air defense forces near Snegirovka in Nikolaev region, Novomikhailovka, Novomayorskoye and Blagoveshchenka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Ustinovka in Kharkov region. 4 shells of American HIMARS multiple launch rocket system and 5 shells of the Uragan and Olha MLRS were also shot down near Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, Olkhovatka in Kharkov region, and Donetsk. In total, 317 airplanes and 159 helicopters, 2,182 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,570 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,460 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,431 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.